In an Excel table, you can add large data, but if table contains large data, it will be difficult to get specific information from table. To get easily information from table, you have another option. You can create pivot table. With the help of pivot table, you can get summary of specific data. If your data in an Excel table or range, first open the data workbook or worksheet. Click at any cell of table, then click Insert tab. In Tables group, click Pivot Table button. The Create Pivot Table dialog box opens. Click Select a table or range. You can use another data source as well as access database file from here. When you click OK, your new worksheet will open from the left side of current worksheet. Click OK. This area is called Pivot Table area. This window is called Task pane. If you active any cell outside the pivot area, then window is closed. To reopen Task pane window, click at any cell of pivot table area. In Task pane, these fields are from an Excel table. These four boxes represent the pivot table layout. Now I add data in a pivot table. Add these fields to display data in a pivot table. You can select any option from here. I check date, month, food items and price items. Uncheck this box. By default, those fields contain text are added in row area, and those fields contain values are added in values area. In values box, you can see sum of price items. You can change and apply another function from here. Click this button, then click value field setting. The value field settings dialog box opens. You can choose any function from here to summarize data. Now I add date field in column box. Press and drag here. To filter data, I add month field in filter box. You can see filter button is appear here. Click this button. Select June month. Click OK. You have month of June data. Rows shows name of food items and columns shows date of each month. These are price items values. Format these values in currency. To format these values in currency, click this button. Click value field setting. Click number format. Choose currency. Click OK. Now you have values in currency format.